Hello friends. So in today's lecture, we are going to talk about phase shift. It is one of the concept of the phase contrast microscopy. So this is a simple ray. Now this is the crest and through maybe changes. So what is the meaning of wavelength? The distance between two crests it called a wavelength. Now the depth of a wave or curve it is called a amplitude. So these basic two things we are going to talk about, that what happens. So in microscopy we simply know that the rays we are used. So if we draw like that, so if the light is passed through undeviated meaning this is the simple light, this is the passing, this is the undeviated rays, that there is no object, no obstruction between the light. So there is no deviation, no object can absorb the light and split another wavelength light. So this is the undeviated light. Now it will produce a white background which we saw in the light microscopy. Now what is the meaning of deviated light? It is there's some difference into the amplitude and the wave also. Now this is the, for example, this is the deviated light. This is the deviated. This is the undeviated light. Undeviated. This is the deviated. It is some difference into the amplitude and wavelength. So the resultant wave may be like this. Look like this. So the amplitude and the wavelength is different into the resultant wave. So if light pass undeviated means the no object is present between the light traveling. So this is the undeviated light, and if there is object in between the traveling, the light will pass like this, the red color. The resultant wave may be this. So if these three are not related because they are traveling differently, so it is called the light is not in phase because they are traveling differently. So amplitude is related with the brightness because it produces a brightness, and the wavelength is related with the color. The shorter wavelength give the blue color and the higher wavelength give a red color. As we know, the wavelength is correlated with the color and the amplitude correlated with the brightness. So changing in the amplitude with the changing in the brightness also. Now in the second condition, that how it works. So this is the way. So this is the undeviated light. This is the deviated light. And now the resultant wave maybe look like that. So if they are related into the same plane, in the same way of the wavelength, then it is called the light is in phase because it's traveling correlately same to same. So this is the amplitude of the resultant wave may be the double than the normal undeviated light. So the brightness level will be different between the resultant wave and the deviated light. So as we see, the brightness will be changed, the object will be changed, the object brightness will be changed. So this is called a phase shift. So reduction of the speed of undeviated light until it relate with the deviated light. It is called a phase shift. This will produce a very clear image because they all are running in the same plane. So this is the basic concept of phase shift which is used in the phase contrast microscopy. I hope you learn. Thank you for watching.